Assalamualaikum children, I am Miss Ghazal. How are you children? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, how is the weather today? It's very hot today. So children, you have to take some juices and plenty of water and stay at home. Don't go outside unnecessary. Now let's start our work. Children, today we will read about vowels. So you should read and learn vowels. Children, tell me one thing. Do you know children that how many letters in English? Yes, very good. There are 26 letters in English. And it is consists 5 vowels like A, E, I, O, U. Which one? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English. Children, you have to watch this video again and again and learn these vowels. Children, this is your new phonic language series 3 means PLS. Now open your book. Children, open the page number 8. Children, I already studied this page on the board. So you have to read, learn and color this page. And today's your homework. You will do this page which we have studied in previous class, which was sky, grass and root letters. And in this page you will just circle the vowels like E, A, O, E, O and in the next page, on page number 10, you will just write the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So you have 4 pages. You have only 4 pages for home assignment. So your home assignment is do page number 6, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you children. Take care and Allah Hafiz.